Alright guys, welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today, it's not house related, it's not car related, it's not truck related, it's barbecue related. Yeah. So, I've never bought a barbecue on Amazon. Lies. I bought my camper stove barbecue on Amazon. I've never bought a family-sized barbecue on Amazon. But today, well actually last week, we bought one on Amazon. So, this just showed up like literally 15 seconds ago. UPS driver pulled in. We slid this into my garage. I closed the door, started the camera. So this just came in. It is 2:30 in the afternoon and I want to cook dinner on this. And between now and dinner, we also have somebody coming to look at the Sentra. They might want to buy it. So I got to build this real quick. What we have here, this is 95 pounds. This is a Megamaster 6-burner barbecue. It's got quite a bit of space on it. I don't know if it tells you on the, no, it doesn't really tell you. But anyway, should we do it? Let's do it. Woohoo!